Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to connect Payfast to your Gohighlevel account. This integration helps us securely process payments, automate order information, and create a smooth checkout experience for customers. We start by going to the Gohighlevel dashboard. From here, we go to the App Marketplace, which is in the lower left part of the page. We click this option to connect Payfast. In the Marketplace, type Payfast here. 9 apps will appear. We look for the one with more stars, as more stars mean it is more reliable. Since that one is paid and we want a free option, we choose Payfast by Southern Cross Technologies. We select this free version. When it finishes downloading, click Install, then Continue. After that, click Allow if asked and uninstall only if needed. Done. Installed. Next, click on our app. We click up, then go to Installed Apps. Now, Payfast is connected to our Gohighlevel account. This is how we connect Payfast to Gohighlevel. Remember to test your payment flow to make sure transactions are processed correctly.